Oxidation reaction alkenes on oxidation with acidic potassium permanganate KMnO4 or acidic potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 form ketones and or acids. For example, propene CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2, potassium permanganate KMnO4 in acidic condition H plus, nascent oxygen. Then it gives ethanoic acid CH3 single bond C double bond OH, that is CH3COH plus CO2 plus H2O. So this bond between two carbon double bond breaks. So propene get converted to ethanoic acid using acidic potassium permanganate. 2-methyl but 2-ene on oxidation with using potassium permanganate in acidic condition converted to ethanoic acid and ketone propane 2-ONE. CH3 single bond CH3 double bond CH single bond CH3 2-methyl but 2-ene. This alkene, this bond between the two carbon atoms, double bonded carbon atom breaks. Now here, therefore we get CH3 C double bond OH and this ketone, that is acetone. IUPAC name is propane 2-ONE. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Uses of alkenes. Alkene is used as a starting material for the preparation of alkyl halides, alcohols, acids, aldehydes, ketones, etc. Second use, ethene and propene are used to manufacture polyethylene or polypropylene. Those find use in polythene bags, toys, bottles, etc. Ethene is used for artificial ripening of fruits. Alkynes. So the next hydrocarbon in this chapter, aliphatic. It is aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond in their molecule. This is the definition of alkynes. Aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. Alkynes having general formula CnH twice n minus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms. This is the chart here which shows the number of carbon atoms starting with second 2 number. So n is equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. This is the molecular formula, common name and structure of alkyne and IUPAC name. Let's see. If the alkyne contains 2 carbon atoms, so that is simplest alkyne, first member of alkyne, molecular formula it is obtained by substituting the n values in this equation. Here we get the molecular formula C2H2. The structure for this simplest alkyne is CH triple bond CH and the common name is acetylene. IUPAC name for alkyne is ethyne. While writing the IUPAC name for alkyne, it is considered as a derivative of alkane and suffix ane from alkane it is replaced by YNE. So in IUPAC name of alkyne, YNE is the suffix. Now in this 2 carbon atoms are present. It is simplest alkyne ethyne acetylene. So 2 carbon atoms are present, therefore the parent alkane is ethane as it is considered as a derivative of alkane, and in ethane ane suffix is replaced by YNE, so therefore the name is ethyne. if for 3 carbon atoms, molecular formula is C3H4, 3 carbons and 4 hydrogens, CS3, C triple bond CH. Common name is methyl acetylene. IUPAC name, as it contains 3 carbon, therefore propane is the parent alkane. ANE is replaced by YNE, so IUPAC name is propyne. N is equal to 4. Molecular formula is C4H6. Structure is CS3, CH2, C triple bond CH. Common name is ethyl acetylene. Numbering, should started from this end where the triple bond is nearer. So 4 carbon atoms, therefore bute is the root name and it is replaced by YNE, but before that, before the suffix YNE, this number which indicates the position of triple bond, that should be writing here one number, as the triple bond is present between carbon number 1 and 2. So lower number is to be indicated. So the IUPAC name for ethyl acetylene is but-1-YNE. Then carbon 4, again molecular formula is C4H6. So this is different structure which are alkyne, which are having 4 carbon atoms. We can write CS3, C triple bond C, CS3. Dimethyl acetylene is the common name and but-2YNE is the IUPAC name. So these two structures are called as isomers to each other, as they are having same molecular formula. Let's see the next point of in this isomerism in alkynes. Alkynes shows position isomerism, which is a type of structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, in that position isomerism, alkyne shows position isomerism, is that where the molecular formula is same but having different position of triple bond. So existence of such a 2 or more molecules of alkynes which are having same molecular formula but different position of triple bond in the same carbon chain, that is called position isomerism, one of the type of structural isomerism. So see this example, here we have seen this molecular formula C4H6, 4 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms. We can draw the two structures for this. First one is the but-1-YNE, CS3, CH2, C triple bond CH, and second structure but-2-YNE, CS3, C triple bond C, CS3. First structure, position of double bond is carbon number 1 and 2, and in the second it is present between 2 and 3. So these are related to each other as a position isomers to each other. If in an alkyne molecule it contains 2 carbon-carbon triple bond, then it is known as alkadiene. So as it is considered as a derivative of alkene, so AN is replaced. So here ALKA, and before suffix YNE, as the 2 triple bonds are there, so di, this word is used. So the name for alkynes which contains 2 carbon-carbon triple bond is alkadienes, and similar way for alkynes which containing 3 carbon-carbon triple bond, then it is called alkatrine. So let's compare these molecules of alkane, alkene and alkyne. First member of alkane is ethane. Structure is CS3, molecular formula is C2H6. For alkene, first member is ethene. Molecular formula C2H4, 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogens. Structure is CH2 double bond CH2. And the alkyne, ethyne is the simplest alkyne. Molecular formula C2H2 and structure CH triple bond CH. So number of hydrogen less in ethene, two hydrogens are less in ethene as compared to ethane, and also in alkyne here as compared to alkene 2 hydrogens less and 4 hydrogen less as compared to alkene. Preparation of alkynes. Industrial sources on large scale, alkynes are prepared from methane and from calcium carbide. Let's see this. Ethyne is industrially prepared by controlled partial oxidation of methane at high temperature. 6 molecules of methane CH4 plus 2 oxygen O2 gives 2 at temperature 173 Kelvin. Ethyne is formed 2 molecules CH triple bond CH along with twice of CO2 plus 10 times hydrogen. So this is reaction oxidation, partial oxidation of methane at high temperature. 6 times CH4 plus 2 O2 gives 2 times CH triple bond CH plus twice of CO2 plus 10 H2. Then the second method from calcium carbide, formula for calcium carbide is CaC2. Reaction of calcium carbide with water. In this alkyne, that is ethyne, is obtained when the calcium carbide it reacts with water. So equation is CaC2, which is calcium carbide, plus twice of H2O gives to C2H2 ethyne plus CaOH twice calcium hydroxide. Now the methods of preparation of alkynes. First, by dehydrohalogenation. D means removal of hydrogen and halogen atoms from adjacent carbon atoms is known as dehydrohalogenation reaction. In this reaction, alkyne is obtained from starting compound vicinal dihalide. So vicinal dihalide converted to alkyne. It is that type of dihalide in which halogen atoms are present on the adjacent carbon atoms. So let's say this is general reaction. Vicinal dihalides X, these are two halogen atoms attached to adjacent carbon atoms. Here hydrogens are shown. When it reacts with the alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, it forms alkenyl halide. That is, here one halogen and hydrogen atom, it is removed from vicinal dihalide. Then it reacts with KOH. So byproducts are potassium halide KX and this HOH, that is minus H2O. So these are the byproducts, potassium halide KX and water H2O. So which is here shown on this arrow with minus sign as it is removed. Now alkenyl halide here, which is formed CH double bond CX. Now this alkenyl halide on further reaction with soda amide, this stronger base, it is used in the second step so as to convert alkenyl halide to alkyne, as it is less reactive, and so soda amide NaNH2, this stronger base, it is required for the removal of halogen atom and hydrogen atom from alkenyl halide. to form alkyne. Here halogen and hydrogen it is removed as soda amide in this Na plus NH2 minus. So NH2 minus, it abstracts this hydrogen, and then this is the leaving group. X is the leaving group, halogen. So main product here it is converted to alkyne, C triple bond C, and these are removed. So here ammonia as a byproduct, so minus NH3 written on this arrow, and sodium halide minus NaX. So let's see this example. 1,2-dibromoethane. Formula is CH2Br, single bond CH2Br, plus alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide get converted to bromoethene. That is one hydrogen atom from one carbon, and halogen bromine atom it is removed. So double bond is created, and we get this formula CH2 double bond CHBr, bromoethene, which on further treatment with soda amide NH2 as a stronger base, it abstracts the hydrogen, and bromine it is the leaving group. So finally here ethyne CH triple bond CH it is obtained with the removal of H2O and ammonia NH3. Let's see another example. 1,2-dichloropropane vicinal dihalide. Here structure is CH3 CHCl, single bond CH2Cl. When treated with the alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide KOH, removal of halogen chlorine and hydrogen atom from the adjacent carbon, and double bond is created between these two. So we get the structure CH3 CH double bond CHCl. 1-chloropropene. In the second step, 1-chloropropene, that is CH3 single bond CH double bond CHCl, when it reacts with the soda amide stronger base NaNH2, so it abstracts hydrogen, NH2 minus abstracts hydrogen, and chlorine is the leaving group. So we get alkyne, that is propyne having structure CH3 C triple bond CH. Now these are the smaller molecules which are eliminated. These are the byproducts, that is minus NH3 minus NaCl, ammonia and sodium chloride.